How to fix the issue you cannot send messages for 3 days on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Giants. Now let's get started. The very first solution is you have to clear cache and cookies for the app Instagram. For that, long press on your app. In this way, different options will pop up. Head towards the option App Info. At the very bottom, you can find different options. Tap on the option of Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache. Tap on OK. Now you can go and check whether your problem is solved or not. If this solution doesn't work for you, then you can just reinstall the Instagram app. For that, tap on this option of Uninstall. Tap on OK. After completion of install, you can open your Play Store or App Store and install your Instagram app and log into your Instagram account and check whether your problem is solved or not. If this solution doesn't work for you, then you can report a problem. For that, open your Instagram app. You will land to the home page. At the bottom, you will find different options. Tap on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. You will land to your profile. At the top right corner, you can find 3 bars. Tap on it. Go to the option Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way down. You can see the option of Help. Tap on it. Tap on the option Report a Problem. Tap on the option Report Problem without shaking. Tap on the option Include and Continue. Now here you have to briefly explain about your problem. You can just explain in the way I have done it. Also, you can add some screenshot and photos of the page where you cannot send the messages by tapping on this option of Upload and Screenshot. After you send a report, you will get feedback from Instagram within few hours. If all of this solution doesn't work for you, then the best thing you can do is to wait for the restriction to expire. So this was all for this video. This is how you can fix the problem you cannot send messages for 3 days on Instagram. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.